My naturally curly hair will remain a mystery for people, but for me it is a result of years of research and lots of trials and errors. Yes, from frequently ironing my hair like many curly girls to braiding it for some respite, I have been through it all and tried almost every curly hair hack under the sun to finally come up with a routine I swear by for soft, ultra defined and frizz-free curls. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Detangling for most curly girls is a nightmare, which is where the most controversial question crops up. Is it better to brush curly hair wet or dry? Although brushing dry curly hair should be considered an offense, if you do it right, both methods are safe. Dry brushing is to be done before a hair wash. Apply any lightweight oil on your scalp and the lengths of your hair. Use a wide tooth comb or a brush with flexible bristles and start detangling. This prevents it from snapping. For wet detangling, after shampooing, slather your hair with an ample amount of conditioner, leave it on for a couple of minutes and gently start detangling your hair with your fingers followed by a wide tooth comb for a smooth, pain-free process. Although we're all familiar with the process, here are some tips to remember while washing curly hair. Use products which are free of harsh chemicals like sulfate, silicone, parabens, mineral oil and alcohols. Apply shampoo only on your scalp and let it run down the lengths while rinsing to prevent excessive drying. Massaging your scalp for a few minutes while shampooing is a must to remove any product buildup and dirt and to also improve blood circulation. Conditioner is a curly girl's best friend. Never skip on it. Always leave about 20% of the conditioner in your hair while rinsing to trap some amount of hydration. This is the most important step on your wash day, which decides the fate of your hair upon drying and is to be done immediately after you step out of the shower. First, prep your hair with a leave-in conditioner. Section and rake it through, making sure your hair is sopping wet. This will lock in the moisture and keep the curls hydrated. Next, take a little bit of curl cream and smooth it over your hair to ensure it doesn't frizz up after drying. For better definition and volume, gently brush your hair away from the scalp, rolling it towards the end. Repeat the same with every section. After you're done, take a coin-sized amount of gel and scrunch it in your hair to create some hold so that your curls retain the definition. You will need to experiment with the quantity of each product, but eventually you will get a hang of it. And with that, all you have to do is wait for your hair to dry to achieve perfectly shiny ringlets. Curly hair is a blessing in disguise. If you learn to take care of it, you've won half the battle. Here's hoping you give this curly girl routine a try. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.